just a quick little handy hint using some recycled materials. This is the coil back part from an old fridge that I found. So I didn't cut it or degas it, it was in the paddock. So it's very strong though. To make a table on some crates. Then I got 3 of these old fly screens. I actually got these from the local dump, so the cost was virtually zero. I needed somewhere to put some seedlings. We're being hammered with a fairly good wet at the moment, and everything is just getting too wet. So I need to be able to put them somewhere where they'll get some sunshine, but not the pouring rain all day and all night. I was given this plastic, but any plastic or shade cloth or any, depending on your conditions, what you're protecting seedlings from. The main thing is that the structure is these 3 fly screens which I've cable tied together to make the triangle, so it's very rigid. The fly screen holds the plastic, or if you wanted to use shade cloth, whatever your thing is, or even you might find that this is just enough if you were trying to keep birds from jumping on and eating seedlings, whatever. I've also stuck a piece of dowel through the cable tie that holds the top part together. I've stuck a dowel because my plastic is longer, and I actually wanted to extend the reach so I could actually put some things under the end there as well. Some things that are already started. Anyway, just a hint to use some old bits and pieces.